how to block a YouTube channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on the only 2 ways you can actually block someone on YouTube. So let's go ahead and open our YouTube quickly, guys. When you open your YouTube, you can't actually directly block someone on YouTube. I don't think that feature is there yet, but you can actually restrict people based on your preference. So let me show you one way of doing this. So the first way is to go ahead and click. So for example, this channel, I don't want like seeing content about this channel precisely. I don't like this guy. I can just go ahead and click on the three lines showing just below the right side of his channel. So when you click on that, as you can see the drop down menu showing there, just click on where it says don't recommend channel. So when you click on that, YouTube algorithm is not going to recommend this channel for you on your home page. So this is one way of doing it. If you don't really want to see someone's content, unless you search for it, you won't be seeing it anymore. YouTube algorithm is going to take it away from your page. So the other way of doing it, in case for example, you don't want someone seeing your YouTube channel or seeing your videos on YouTube. So just for example, I don't want this guy to see my YouTube channel. I just have to click on his account. So when I click on opening his account, as well, I don't want this guy seeing my stuff on YouTube. So just click on the three dots showing above your screen. So when you click on that, guys, click on where it says hide users from my channel. So when you hide this user from your channel, this person is not going to show up on your phone page, and as well as this person cannot actually see anything you post on your channel. So these are the only 2 ways you can block someone on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.